desserts. So these are my 3 favorite desserts to make, and they're super easy, so let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to need for the Rice Krispie treats is a little tin to let the Rice Krispie treats dry. Then you are going to need 1/4 a cup of butter, 4 cups of miniature marshmallows, 6 cups of the Rice Krispie treats cereal, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. First, take your 1/4 cup of butter and just put it right on into the little pan thing. And just put in all of your marshmallows into the bowl and just heat it up and mix it while you're doing it. So remember to constantly stir the marshmallows right when you put them in so they don't freeze or stick to the bowl or anything like that. They won't work if you do that. So keep stirring and I'll see you guys when they're fully melted. I'm just taking 4 cups of Rice Krispie treats. I'm not taking the full 6 yet because I just want to make sure that we have enough because you cannot subtract what you've already put in. So just try and get it all in there.
We weren't sure how many marshmallows to put in because the recipe didn't call for it. So we only put in 4 cups of Rice Krispie treats to make sure that there was enough Rice Krispie treats to marshmallow.
Yeah. Now just mix up the marshmallows and the 4 cups of Rice Krispie treats. Now I'm just going to be taking a tin and some Pam so it doesn't stick to the container. Scooping the Rice Krispie treats into the tin. We're going to record this, but before we mix everything up, we added the 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and that really makes a difference. And also, we put it into this little tin, and a really good trick is to, when you're patting it down to flatten it out, put some Pam on your hands so it doesn't stick. In 12 minutes, we'll get back to you and we'll cut it. Those are dry, and we are going to make chocolate chip ice cream sandwiches. So pretty much we are just using this Nestle Toll House cookie dough, and we're actually not using this one because it's a lot bigger. We're using this one, but we unwrapped it to make time go by faster, but this is the packaging that you might want to get. And then you're just going to use vanilla ice cream, but we are keeping that in the freezer for now. So let's get started. First thing that you're going to do is cut your cookies to about 1 inch length, like that. Make sure your hands are clean and just put them onto the pan and just continue to do this and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Cutting, you're just going to kind of put them into a line so they won't get all up in each other's grill while they're on the stove. So I'm just kind of spreading them out. Alright, that looks good. So now you are just going to put these cookies into the oven and bake them for 30 minutes, as you can see. Okay, so while these are baking, we are going to make chocolate strawberries. So now for the chocolate covered strawberries, we are using a brand called Choco Maker, but really you can use any brand that you find to make chocolate fruit at your local supermarket. It doesn't really matter, but we are taking these little things that come with the package, and we're just going to put them in for 30 seconds and then take them out 30 seconds later and mix them up again and put them back in until they're completely melted. Okay, so once your chocolate is all melted, we are going to take your strawberries and we're just going to be dipping them right on into the chocolate. And I'm just using the spoon to get every kind of corner of the strawberry, like this. And then just do them for as many strawberries as you have chocolate for and put them right onto the plate. So I have cut up all of the Rice Krispie treats and I really like how they turned out a lot. And then I covered up the chocolate covered strawberries And then for the cookies, they did not turn out how I wanted them. They are all like broken apart, as you can tell, like cracked. But if you want to, all you have to do is take 2 cookies, scoop 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream on each side, and put the 2 cookies together. So that's really it. And I'm sorry I couldn't show you, it just would not work, it would not turn out good. So we're just gonna eat the cookies like this, and yeah, I'll see you outside.